Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to boost the volume of your Google Pixel. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. We'll start with some simple and basic volume checks, so feel free to skip ahead if you've already tried these. Open the main settings app first, and then choose sound and vibration from the list. On this page, check the volume is turned up. Notice how there's different volume sliders for each type of sound. For example, your call volume might be all the way up, but this won't affect videos or music, as this can be increased with the media volume slider. Next, it's a good idea to check your speakers or sound device to ensure that the speakers are not blocked by dust or debris that will lower the volume. The next and probably most effective way to increase the volume is to get a volume booster app. Head to the Play Store and search for Volume Booster. There'll be plenty to choose from that you might want to try, but make sure you get those that have some genuine reviews. I've used the Goodev Volume Booster in the past, so you could try this one. Install it from the Play Store, but before you open it, you need to make sure you are careful when boosting the volume. Not only could this potentially break your phone's speakers, but it could damage your hearing, so do not boost it all the way, as your device might not be designed to be boosted at all. After opening the app, you might need to allow notifications, and then you can set the volume as well as the boost slider. Again, please be careful when boosting the volume. That's how to boost the volume of your Google Pixel. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Google Pixel. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.